Today we are working on a 2000 Jeep Wrangler 4x4 4.0. We're going to replace the spark plugs. I replaced the radiator. If you want to see how to do that, go ahead and check out my other video once it's posted. And then hit the subscribe button to get more notifications on the videos that I'm posting, or to see upcoming videos that are coming in the future. Hit the thumbs up and then comment below to let me know how I did in this video. So don't know if we're gonna have to take off the intake tube itself, but if you are, it's gonna be a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead, or a 8mm. So you're gonna have one on this side and then one on the throttle body side, and then you're gonna have this PCV hose. You just kind of pop that guy right back, and then we'll have more access. I'm only doing this just for the video purpose so we can see it. So we're gonna have a 13mm. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 that I can see, and then we'll pop those off and then go from there. So we can either let this guy hang, or we could take it off all the way. We're gonna let it hang. You just pull back and it should pop right off. This is whole one unit, so it sucks if one goes out. But we're gonna go ahead and take off the spark plugs. So we're gonna be using a 5/8 socket to take off the spark plugs. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put on our new spark plugs, Champion coppers. Spark plug gap should be at 35 thousandths of an inch. I'm going to go ahead and double check these and then get right back to the video. Alright, so we got our spark plugs adjusted to how we are. The way how we want them is 35 thousandths of an inch. So kind of want to do this at a smooth. You don't want to force it. You just kind of want it to coast. So there you have it. 35 thousandths of an inch. Did that for all the spark plugs because literally the other ones were all bottomed out. So, but now we're going to go ahead and thread them in. Now, once we're done putting back on our spark plugs, we'll go ahead and lift this guy right back up, seat him in place. Alright, so basically that's how we would do the spark plugs. If this video helped you out, let me know, comment below, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future, and thanks for watching.